to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. On loan for some very fast and very profitable exit. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxiam. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. All right, into the cockpit. I hope you are ready, my friends, but to be sure, I will be coming along with you. Repair tech. Hit your flashing button. I'll do what I can to help out. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly out. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxiam. Right pilot, raise the jump to light speed. Those heavy guys are protecting the train. Take them out! They've blocked onto us! Take evasive action! Gunners, we need to defend ourselves! Open fire! Ah, there it is! After that train! Flight engineers, fire the harpoon! Left pilot, brakes! Good work! Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one! Excellent, my friends. Now cover up the ship. Well, I grab the coaxiam. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now, when the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Pilots, into the center. Do you see those big white rings? Would you fly through them? Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Well, it's harder than it looks. A gunship? Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. I've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry! The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost, boost, boost. Look, we could not die. Let's get out of here. Great job, my friends. You retrieved one container of coaxiam. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad. Down for you to go. And don't worry, payment is on the way. Trust me.